Okay. I think I absolutely nailed it. I don't think it's a completely perfect. Again, I don't have a tool to test if it's actually perfect. I'm going off a printout, so I'll make a design, or I'll get a design offline or whatever the hell it is, and I'll print it right on my sticker printer, and I'll take that sticker printer printout and the design I have, right, I created or whatever, and I'll compare the two after I print them. I think I got it on point. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I think I have my colors exact to decimal. Okay, this image, when I look at it online, sorry, on my computer, that's what I see. That's what I see. And that is what I see. When I mean that's what I mean, everything, even the colors, all the colors, they're exactly the colors. I literally hold it up to the computer and look at it, and these colors are what I'm seeing. All right, these colors are what I'm seeing on my computer screen. All right, when I print it out, it looks just like this. These obviously I didn't print these out. I'm just amazed that I actually got the colors correct without an actual expensive ass, $4,000 tool. I am just blown away. Now this is not the Q. That's not the print Q that you guys currently have, or you currently have. I don't know why people say guys, gals, or whatever the hell that they want to say. All right, so you who are watching this video, you don't currently, if you watch my other previous videos for the Epson 8550, obviously, print Q, where the color, I have the color Q out where you can print and colors are pretty close to what you're supposed to be. All right, that color Q is not this one. All right, this one is the last one I just did. I'm telling you, these colors are on point. If they're off by about that much. They're not way off. They're about that much off. All right, they're not far off, not even in the slightest. I'm just amazed that I actually accomplished it without a $4,000 tool. I really am. So all I need is testers now. I need I need one other or two other, three other people, the person to test it, because I need to make sure it's correct. I need to make sure it works for other people with other different inks. And then once I make sure it works, then I'll push out the that Q. Probably just a download again. I'm probably just going to probably throw it in a group, and then everybody can just download it and use it. All right. But so far, this color Q is amazing. I'm on point. Let me show you again. Look at that. All right. And to show you how close it is, look at that red and look at that red. See how close they are? They're not far off. All right. Obviously, the camera is going to be a little different, but if you see, they're damn near blending in. And when I'm looking on it, they're almost blending in. All right. That's what I'm talking about. The colors are literally, look at that. That one's damn near into fabric. You can barely tell apart. That's red there. All right. That's how close that stuff is. Love it. All right. Peace.